Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 6, and in question number 6 you are given a figure in which PQ is parallel to RS, are basically two mirrors placed parallel to each other, and an incident ray AB strikes mirror PQ. This incident ray is striking PQ at B, and after reflection it is striking at C, and again it is reflected back till D, and you have to prove that AB is basically parallel to CD. You have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. In this question, for that we have to do a construction. We have to draw MB perpendicular to PQ and NC perpendicular to PS. This is perpendicular on this, and this line is perpendicular on this. To solve this, let's suppose that these and these are already parallel lines, or you can say AB is parallel to CD. So obviously, if these two lines are parallel, so angle this must be equal to angle this. These are two alternate angles. So we are saying that angle ABC is equal to angle BCD, which are alternate angles. Let's name these angles. We are supposing angle this as angle 1, this angle as 2, this angle as 3, and this angle as 4. And we know, and if you are supposing these two lines are as parallel, so angle this must be equal. After that, what we are saying that these two lines are perpendicular to these lines, so obviously these must also be parallel. We are saying that these two lines are parallel, and we are drawing two perpendicular on them, so obviously this line must be parallel to this line. And if these two are parallel, so obviously angle this must be equal to angle this, because these are again alternate angles. So obviously angle 2 must be equal to angle 3. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3, because these are again alternate angles. And angle 1 is basically equal to angle 2, because the law of reflection says when incident strikes a mirror and reflected back, if you draw a normal, so the angle of incident must be equal to angle of reflection. So in this case, the angle of incident is angle 1 and the angle of reflection is angle 2 by law of reflection. Similarly, angle 3 must be equal to angle 4. Again, this is due to, or you can say from the law of reflection. By this, we know that angle 2 is equal to angle 3, and angle 2 is equal to 3, and angle 2 is equal to angle 1, and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. So obviously angle 1 must also be equal to angle 4. So angle 2 is equal to 3 and 1 is equal to 4. Now you can add equation this and this. So 2 plus 1 must be equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. So 2 plus 1 is basically, this angle is basically angle ABC. So this can be written as angle ABC, and angle 3 plus 4 is basically angle BCD. And if these two angles are equal, so obviously this line must be parallel to this line, because these two angles are alternate angles. So this is how we can solve this particular question. Thank you.